Mga kaibigan, sa araw na to iti-trade in namin tong isang bike namin para makakuha kami ng mas maliit na bike dahil para itong ganda pa naman hopefully gusto namin silang i-trade sa mas maliit na bike dahil maliliit pa yung mga anak ko. BMX to mahal pa naman to pero hindi nagagamit kasi maliit pa yung mga anak ko So pagpapalit namin siya sa mas maliit na bike na magagamit nila. Okay? Samahan niyo ako para makita niyo itong mga magagandang bike dito sa Exchange Bike Incorporated ata yung pangalan ng business na yun. Alright, let's go. Okay mga kaibigan, dito namin i-try din ang aming bike. Tingnan natin kung mga iba't-ibang klaseng bike nila. Look at this double passenger bike. Diba? Dual. May tawag dito, nakalimutan ko lang Nasa dulo ng dila ako Bicycle. Tingnan mo, for two people. Nice. Hi guys. Hi Ian. Hi. Say hi to the camera guys. Hi.
I want double bike. Me too.
Hey, say hi to the camera. Look at this.
Oh wow.
This is a good bike. This is a good bike here.
Oh no
Can
no.
I have this one?
No, thank you.
Say hi. Say hi to the camera, Ian, one time.
Hi. What kind of...
Wala silang may training wheels Ay, ito meron kaya lang masyadong parang pambabae. This is nice. Ito yung mga pangkarera naman ng mga bike to. Ito mo. $400. Look at this bike here. Kita mo ang laki ng kanyang ang laki ng gulong niya. This is pretty cool. Ito may mga kulay na bike. We didn't.
It's like this size.
Mom.
Oh, yeah. This doesn't work, though. Actually, the 20
Double.
This is nice bikes. This one. Is this the foldable bike?
Yeah, it is.
How much is that?
That one I'm not sure. Let me get it first.
It's okay. I mean, if you don't have it, it's okay. I'm just wondering how much it is.
What?
Ito mga kaibigan na babike, pwede mong nilagay sa pagkasasakay ka sa bus,
Baby bike.
you can just fold it and bring it inside the bike, the bus, instead of putting it in front of the bus. Kasi gano'n ang nagbabas dito na may bike, ilalagay nila sa harapan ng bus yung bike nila. Ito, pwede mo itupi. Tapos tali mo sa loob ng bus kung nagbabas ka. Is this though the only bike that has training wheels that you have those?
Yeah, we actually also have training wheels too. Separate, you can throw them on it.
You want to buy those so we can hook it up in our car, in our vehicle? Okay.
But
So the
they said give them 2 more weeks.
Oh, okay. So the manager is not here. Okay. We can't trade the bike right now. The manager is not here.